Welcome guys, today we are going to work with coordinate shape reasoning. In coordinate shape reasoning, we have to find out the coordinates of any shape when one or two coordinates are given, and we have to calculate the rest. Reasoning is something where you have to consider the logic but not only the numbers. For example, if I will say that if one bullet travels 3 kilometer distance, how much distance will 5 bullets travel? Now this means that I have to find out the distance traveled by 5 bullets. Now number says it is 15 kilometer, but logically it will be 3 kilometer, because if one bullet is covering distance of 3 kilometer, then no matter how many bullets you have, they will cover the same distance, unless and until the question is revised, what do we say, that it's rephrased. Now here, plot the missing vertex to complete the shape. If you look at this one, we have this A, B, and then we have C. Question says that shape ABCD is a square. Plot vertex D to finish drawing the shape. What is the coordinate position of P? It's actually a very simple question. In this one, all you need to do is you need to draw a line. First of all, from A to B, we should know the length. When we have the grid, it's very easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes. So from this point, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 boxes, and I will mark the point. Now, after marking the point, I will move on, and I will join the lines. So now I will use my ruler and I will join the point, this with this one here, and this with this one here. Now when I join the shape, I know that this is my complete square. Since I said what is the coordinate vertex position D, this is the D point, and vertex will be x-axis first, so -3, and next is y-axis, which is -2. So -3 and -2 is my answer. Now -3 and -2 is the vertex for this shape. Same we need to do in this one, same we need to do in this one. I will explain this one as well. Now in this one we have A, B, and C. Shape ABCD is a rectangle, so rectangle means that opposite side must be same. So accordingly, what is the coordinate position of D? I will do the same thing. I will draw a line. I will mark the point first. First I will count the distance between this and this. So one box and 2 box. So this means if 1 box and 2 box, so I'll draw a line from here to here with 2 boxes, and then I will join the line, this with this. So this is my rectangle. What are the coordinates for position D? X is 2, y is -4, so 2 and -4 is my answer. 2, -4 is my answer. For this one, it's very simple, it's very interesting. Here we have -2 and 1, 2 and -3. Identify the coordinate position of the missing vertices. This question I'll explain in detail, and I hope that those who have any confusion about it, they will understand it in a detail. This question is very easy. The thing is that this is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. If I'll not look at the object as a whole, and I will look at only this points here, assume this point as a ball here. On a grid, I have a ball at point -2 and 1. Now I'm moving this ball from this place to next place, but I'm moving it in a straight line. If I'm moving it in a straight line, this means that the height of the ball is not changing on a grid. Only the x-axis position, yani its left and y coordinate, x-axis left and right coordinates are changing. So x is -2 here. If I'll move it to this side, only x-axis will change, y will remain same, because on a y-axis this point was 1, and in this, when I move the ball on this point, even then the point of y-axis is same, because x-axis is changing, y-axis is not changing. Y-axis change only if I move the object up or down. Now this is y-axis, so I will write 1 here as it is. Now I'm looking for x-axis. For x-axis, I will take help for this point. How this point will help? If I'll draw x-axis here, I know that this point is mentioning this point as 2. So this means on my x-axis this point is 2. That is why x-axis is 2 here. Now if x-axis is 2 here, I have this point on a straight line on along x-axis. I have the same point. This ball is here now. So this means that as per x-axis, whatever the x coordinates we have here, we have same x coordinate here. So if this is 2, this must be 2. So 2 comma 1 is my coordinate for first part. For this one again, in a very quick and simple manner, I will take x from here and I will take y from here. So -2 and -3 is my answer. Now let me explain. X is -2. I have a ball here and this ball is sharing the same coordinate on this vertex, because if x is -2, that is why we are writing this as -2. If x is -2, that is why we are writing this as -2, and this parallel to this I have this ball, so this means they both are the same plane. So -2 and -2, and y-axis height of this is here is mentioned -3. If this ball is at -3, of course I have same line and the ball is here, so -3. -2 and -3 is the value for this one. Now for this one, 3, -3, 2 and -4. From 3 to -3, how much distance do we have? How much difference do we have? So I can find the length of it. It's actually 6. As per x-axis, the distance between 3 and -3 is 6. As per y-axis, distance between 2 and -4 is again 6. So this means that the length I have is 6. So what I will do, 1 minus 6, because I'm going down. This point is going down, and we know that when y-axis goes down, the value changes. So now 3, now this for 3 and -3 distance is 6. So let me take a x-axis. This is 1 and something. So if it is going down, 1 minus 6 makes what? 1 minus 6 makes -5. And 4 minus 6 makes what? It makes -2. So 4 minus 2, 4 minus 6 makes -2, and this makes -5. This means on the coordinate grade, I know that this point is -5 and 2. Now here you may ask that this is the -5 and 5. Yes, it is -5 and 5, but if you look at if you ignore these values and you look at them logically, we know that the length difference between this and this is what? It is x-axis. If I look on the x-axis only, 1 plus 2 makes 3, right? So -5 plus 2, -5 plus 2 makes what? -3. So I know the distance between this and this is what? It's again 2. Something that you must understand, that if we move on this side along x-axis, the value of x-axis will change, not the y-axis. If we move along y-axis, the value of y-axis, if we move along up or down, if we move up or down, value of y-axis will change, x-axis will not change. So here, this is the simple one, basic idea. I will share with you some more detailed ones. In this one, for example, here I have this sheet where they're saying the shape A is a square. It is translated right 3 up 4 to become shape A dash or A prime. Draw shape A prime on the coordinate axis and label the coordinates of vertices. Now this is translating coordinate shape. The one that I just discussed is coordinate shape reasoning. Now this translation is actually a simple thing. How? Right 3 up 4. This means plus 3 and plus 4. Plus 3 means I'm moving the object 3 up. Plus 3. Sorry. Plus 3 means I'm moving the object 3 right. And plus 4 means I'm moving the object 4 up. -3 means I'm moving the object 3 left. -4 means I'm moving the object down. So negative x and y. If x is negative, this means we are moving to the left side. If y is negative, this means we are moving down. If x is positive, this means that we are moving to the right. If y is positive, this means we are moving up. If x is negative and y is positive, this means that we are going left and then up. I hope this will explain. Now I'll go to this part. In this one, it says shape A is a square, so I know it's a square. This is translated right 3 4, up 4. So I'll take this one point and I will go right 3 and then I will go up 4. So 1 2 3, then up 4. 1 2 3 4. Remember that when I mark this point here, this point actually moved on this side, so I will not start drawing the shape on this side. I have to draw it on this side because I know that 1 2 and 3. So I'll take 1 box, 2 box and 3 box, then 1 box, 2 box and 3 box, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. This is the translated shape for this one. This is the same. In this one it's a little tricky because it says shape C prime is a rhombus and shape C was translated left 4 up 6 to become C dash or C prime. This means this is the translated image and I'm talking about something for the original image. Now I want the original shape. So I will do the reverse of it. They said left 4, I'll move right 4. So I'll take this point 1 2 3 4. Then they said up 6, so I will go down 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This means that this point is here. Now 2, this point is here. 2, this point is here. This point is here. I will join it with the ruler. So here I got 1 2. This is C shape, which is translated to this position. These questions here are the tricky part. How you will do it, let me explain. The first thing is you need a grid to understand the logic. If I'll do this on the grid book, then it's very easy to understand. But just to explain you, if shape B is rectangle with side the length of 5 and width of 2, this means this side is 5 boxes. So if this point is 1 and I'll move back to 5 boxes, I want to find the coordinate for this position. So I'll move back to 5 boxes. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So 1 minus 5 is what? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. So x-axis is minus 4 and y will remain minus 2 here, because y height is not changing for this one. This is x-axis, so this will remain the same. And here they said width of 2. If negative 2 is the point, and if you look at the coordinate grid, I am in the 4th quadrant and I am going down now from this point to this point. So negative 2, and I'll move two squares down further. I'll get negative 4 here. So 1 and negative 4 is this quadrant. Now if this is x-axis, this will be negative 4 again, because height of the object is not changing, but x-axis is here negative 4, so I'll put negative 4. So negative 4 and negative 4 are the coordinates for this point, 1 and negative 4 for this point. Now I know the coordinates of this shape here. When I'm reflecting it, sorry, when I'm translating it, it says I got b dash, so 1 becomes 5 and negative 2 becomes 4. So how many rights or how many ups? So I can say plus 4, this means moving to the right side 4 steps, and here negative 2 becomes 4, so plus 6. So this means that I'll go plus 4, I'll move 4 steps to the right, so I will reach 5, which is x-axis coordinate here. When I reach here 5, then I have to go 6 up. So when I will go 6 up, in 2 steps I'll reach 0, and then again 4 steps I'll reach on this point. So this point is translated here. So I know the rule, plus 4 plus 6, I can do the same in all of them. So plus 4 plus 6, this will become 0. Plus 6, negative 2 plus 6 will become 4, which is same. And then here plus 4 plus means that again in this one, if plus 4 plus 6 is the rule, so plus 4 will make this one 0, and plus 6. So this will be plus 6 minus 4, so negative 2 will be for this one. Plus 4 plus 6. Plus 4 plus 4 makes 0. Plus 6 and positive 2. Positive 2. My bad. 6 minus 4, of course, positive 2. And then this one is 1 again. Plus 4 is 5, and y-axis is the same, so 2. So this is how I found out the coordinate for this shape. I hope this explained the thing. For any further confusion, do let me know in the comment section, and inshallah I will try my best to sort it out. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.